lovely people, and welcome back to a brand new episode of your favorite show, Planet Bollywood. मैं हूं Manish, and before we kickstart the show, I do want to remind you guys to check out our Zoom Facebook page for minute-by-minute updates about your favorite celebrities. And on that note, here are our top stories. NCB summons Arjun Rampal and his girlfriend. Virat Kohli will return for birth of his and Anushka Sharma's first child as BCCI grants him paternity leave. Neha Kakkad opens up about her love story with Rohanpreet Singh. Abhishek Bachchan gives an epic reply to a netizen who tried to troll him. Shweta Tiwari's husband alleges actress is keeping him away from their son. Indian men's cricket team captain Virat Kohli will return from the upcoming tour of Australia after the first test in Adelaide after being granted paternity leave by the BCCI. Virushka announced that they were expecting their first child together in August. The baby is expected to arrive in January 2021. And then we were 3, arriving Jan 2021. Well, there is great news for actress Anushka Sharma because her husband will be with her in the last days of her pregnancy. Virat Kohli will return home from Australia after the opening test match in Adelaide next month to attend the birth of his child. Virat is awaiting to fulfill his daddy duties and inform the BCCI about his plans. Let's check out this story. अनुष्का ने सोशल मीडिया पोस्ट पर लिखकर अपने फैंस और दुनिया को ये गुड न्यूज दी थी। विराट और अनुष्का दोनों ने ही काफी क्वालिटी टाइम लॉकडाउन में एक साथ बिताया है।
कोहली चौका मारना, चौका क्या कर रहा है? कोहली चौका मार।
अभी कुछ दिन पहले ही विराट कोहली ने अपना बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट किया और वो अपनी वाइफ अनुष्का के साथ काफी खुश लग रहे थे। Good times seem to be ahead for would-be parents Anushka and Virat. They are eagerly awaiting their firstborn child. बेबी डिलीवरी टाइम पर विराट का अनुष्का के पास रहना अनुष्का के लिए बहुत स्पेशल होगा क्योंकि विराट अपने पापा होने की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बहुत अच्छे से निभाने वाले हैं। अब तो बस इंतजार है कि कब अनुष्का और विराट अपने प्यारे फैंस को गुड न्यूज देकर ट्रीट देंगे क्योंकि इन दोनों की तरह एवरीवन एल्स इज वेटिंग एज वेल। Like Virushka, Safina is also expecting their second baby. When Bebo was pregnant with Taimur, सैफ ने भी अपने काम से ब्रेक लिया था ताकि वो ज्यादा से ज्यादा वक्त करीना के साथ स्पेंड कर पाए। Actor Shahid Kapoor had also taken paternity leave when Meera was pregnant with their firstborn child. Actresses का maternity leave पर जाना is quite common due to the biological requirements, but it is uncommon for male celebrities to file for paternity leaves. ऐसे ही celebs की तरह काफी सारे couples हैं जो अपने होने वाले बच्चों के लिए maternity and paternity leaves पर जाते हैं। We wish every couple a happy and safe delivery. Actor Arjun Rampal has been summoned by the Narcotics Control Bureau. NCB searched his home in Mumbai in its investigation into banned substances, alleging links to the film industry. Arjun Rampal has been asked to appear for questioning on Wednesday. Well, it seems like Bollywood and the illegal banned substance use chapter is not ending anytime soon. The Narcotics Control Bureau on Monday did a search at the home of actor Arjun Rampal as part of its investigation and probe into the use of banned substances in Bollywood. The NCB has asked Arjun to appear before the agency on November 11th. Many high-profile celebrities have been questioned by the NCB so far. Here's our report. बॉलीवुड एक्टर अर्जुन रामपाल के घर में मंडे सुबह 7 बजे एनसीबी की रेड पड़ी और ये रेड लगभग 7 घंटे चली। अर्जुन केपरी हाइट्स बिल्डिंग के 15th फ्लोर पर रहते हैं। A few days ago, the NCB arrested some peddlers and the agency got some information from them, and then this raid was conducted at Arjun's home. Electronic gadgets were seized during the search at his house. कुछ दिन पहले ही अर्जुन्स लिव-इन पार्टनर गैब्रिएला के भाई एगी सिलोस को एनसीबी ने अरेस्ट किया था। Actor Arjun Rampal's girlfriend Gabriela Dimitris has been summoned by the Narcotics Control Bureau on the 11th of November. रेड की न्यूज पर रिएक्ट करते हुए स्मिता पारेख, जो सुशांत सिंह राजपूत की फैमिली फ्रेंड है, उन्होंने सोशल मीडिया पे लिखा, Arjun snatched Kaipoche actor's dream home Capri Heights in Mumbai, and his house is being raided by NCB was God's way of justice. अब देखने वाली बात ये होगी कि क्या इसके बाद कुछ और बड़े नाम सामने आएंगे, because now there are many cases against Bollywood actors, actresses and producers for using banned substances. And the agency is trying everything to nab its peddlers to users. Producer Firoz Nadiadwala's wife, Shabana Saeed, was arrested by the agency after 10 grams of banned substances were allegedly found at their home in Mumbai.
Mrs. Nadiadwala has been arrested.
सर फिरोज के घर पे सर्च हुआ है।
So what's her name, sir? What's her name?
We will issue a press release.
सर फिरोज के घर पे सर्च हुआ है। कुछ क्या चार्जेस में अरेस्ट किया? क्या चार्जेस में अरेस्ट किया गया?
Role that she has.
You all will get a release and you will know.
And sir,
फिरोज के घर
Firoz
पे सर्च
Nadiadwala
में क्या मिला
absconding,
है?
sir? Is he
फिरोज
absconding?
नाडियाडवाला के घर पे सर्च में क्या मिला है?
Is
सर फिरोज नाडियाडवाला को बुलाया गया है? फिरोज को बुलाया गया है
Sir,
सर?
is he absconding, sir?
सर फिरोज को बुलाया गया है?
Sir, when is he called? Sir, when is he called?
इशू किया गया है?
All these raids and arrests were started earlier this year during interrogations into Sushant Singh Rajput's death in June. बॉलीवुड के ओरिजिनल खिलाड़ी अक्षय कुमार ने अक्टूबर में अपने सोशल मीडिया अकाउंट पर एक वीडियो पोस्ट किया जिसमें उन्होंने कहा था, I'll be a liar if I say that the problem does not exist in our industry. It exists, just like every industry. But every person in every profession is not involved in such problems. This is impossible.
नारकोटिक्स और के बारे में आजकल बात हो रही है। मैं आज दिल पे हाथ रख के कैसे आपसे झूठ बोल दूं कि ये प्रॉब्लम एग्जिस्ट नहीं करती। जरूर करती है। वैसे ही जैसे हर इंडस्ट्री पर हर प्रोफेशन में होती होगी, पर हर प्रोफेशन का हर इंसान उस प्रॉब्लम में इन्वॉल्व हो, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता। ऐसा थोड़ी हो।
We all do hope that this bad chapter ends very soon and that we all get to hear some good news.
प्लीज हाथ जोड़ के कहता हूँ, ऐसा तो मत करो ना कि पूरी की पूरी इंडस्ट्री को एक ही बदनाम दुनिया जैसी नजरों के साथ देखने लगो। ये सही नहीं है, ये तो गलत है ना।
Junior Bachchan gives an epic reply to a troll which says, if Abhishek wasn't Bachchan, and shares a picture Abhishek has mastered in replying to trolls. Junior Bachchan has had a long history of confronting internet trolls. While ignorance is bliss, Bachchan never shies away from replying on social media. Abhishek Bachchan has mastered the art of replying to the trolls. A man took to social media to share a photo of a farmer and wrote, if Abhishek Bachchan wasn't Bachchan. The farmer has a resemblance to the breed actor and Abhishek replied to him saying, ha ha ha, funny, but still better looking than you. Bachchan kept it classy as usual. Check out the story. जब बात अपने ट्रोल्स को सोशल मीडिया पर कड़क रिप्लाई देने की आती है, तो इस मामले में अभिषेक बच्चन मास्टर हो चुके हैं। हम ऐसा इसलिए कह रहे हैं क्योंकि a man took to social media to share the photo of a farmer and wrote, if Abhishek wasn't Bachchan. The farmer has a resemblance to the breed actor. And Abhishek funnily replied to him in his style, ha ha ha, funny, but still better looking than you. अभिषेक बच्चन अपने ट्रोल्स को एंटरटेनिंग रिप्लाईज देने में कभी पीछे नहीं हटते। उनके पास बहुत ही विटी रिप्लाईज होते हैं। कुछ दिन पहले किसी ने लिखा था, आपको नहीं लगता कि आपको फिल्मों में काम सिर्फ अमिताभ बच्चन के बेटे होने की वजह से मिलता है? The actor replied, काश जो आप कह रहे होते सच होता। सोचिए कितना काम मिलता मुझे। Few years back, stand-up comedian Aditi Mittal trolled Abhishek Bachchan's acting skills on social media. She wrote, Aishwarya had to marry a tree first so she could marry a rock. अभिषेक बच्चन जो इस पोस्ट में टैग नहीं थे, फिर भी उनको पता चला, उन्होंने अदिति को रिप्लाई किया। Abhishek wrote, The question mark at the end suggests that you have a doubt. Means there is a hope for me. Yay. Abhishek will next be seen in Anurag Basu's dark comedy Ludo. The multi-starrer also features Rajkumar Rao, Pankaj Tripathi, Aditya Roy Kapoor, Rohit Suresh Saraf, Fatima Sana Sheikh and Sanya Malhotra. The other film starring Abhishek is The Big Bull, which is inspired by Harshat Mehta's story, and it'll go directly on a streaming platform. Ranbir Kapoor is one of those few Bollywood actors who has stayed away from the world of social media. But Alia Bhatt always shares his glimpses on her account. रणबीर कपूर एक ऐसे सेलिब्रिटी हैं जो हमेशा सोशल मीडिया से दूर रहते हैं, but his lady love Alia Bhatt always finds a way to bring him onto her account through her posts at least. Today we're looking at a few times when Ranbir Kapoor made it from birthdays to holidays on social media accounts thanks to Alia Bhatt. Now these two are the hottest couples in town and everybody wants to know what the duo are up to individually and together. Check out this story. जब बात बॉलीवुड के हॉटेस्ट कपल्स की आती है तो आलिया एंड रणबीर का नाम लिस्ट के टॉप में आता है। आज approximately each and every celebrity is on social media and posting their personal and professional experiences. But heartthrob Ranbir is not on social media. But his lady love Alia Bhatt, वो तो social media की queen है और अपने fans को हर दिन अपने post से दीवाना बनाती है। Ranbir Kapoor is one of those Bollywood actors who has stayed away from the world of social media. But कुछ मौके ऐसे आए हैं जब आलिया भट्ट के कुछ पोस्ट में रणबीर कपूर नजर आए हैं। जैसे इस साल रणबीर कपूर का बर्थडे, आलिया भट्ट gave fans a charming glimpse of the birthday boy. Posing with two delicious-looking cakes, Ranbir was all smiles for the camera. With a heart emoji, Alia had captioned the post, "Happy birthday 8," marking Ranbir's 38th birthday. आप सोच रहे होंगे कि 8 क्यों? चलिए हम बता देते हैं। 8 रणबीर का लकी नंबर है और आलिया भट्ट ने रणबीर को ई-बाइक गिफ्ट की जिसकी नंबर है 8। Apart from that, इस साल to celebrate New Year 2020, Alia Bhatt had shared a cute photo from her vacation on social media, enjoying on a yacht with Ranbir Kapoor and Ayan Mukherjee. Alia had captioned this perfect vacay picture, "Best Boys." During lockdown, Ranbir Kapoor and Alia Bhatt were rumored to be staying together. आलिया ने एक फोटो शेयर की जिसमें उन्होंने अपने न्यू हेयर कट की पोस्ट भी की। आलिया wrote, "PS, yes, I cut my hair at home thanks to my multi-talented loved one who rose to the occasion when I needed a chop." लोगों ने सीधा गेस कर लिया कि who was the multi-talented loved one and it was none other than Ranbir Kapoor.
What is the deal? Okay. I do have a detail.
वैसे रणबीर और आलिया की आने वाली मोस्ट अवेटेड फिल्म ब्रह्मास्त्र, जिसको सबको बेसब्री से इंतजार है, इस साल 4 दिसंबर 2020 को रिलीज होने वाली थी।
Oh my God, an Apple story! Are we releasing a 4th December 2020?
But due to the pandemic, like every film now, this film too has been postponed to next year. Fans are waiting to see Ranbir and Alia's chemistry on screen. So while disclosing the release date of the movie, Alia had shared this candid picture on social media featuring her boyfriend and co-star Ranbir Kapoor. We all love cute couple Ranbir and Alia.
You should say what a view, you know. Baby, उन्होंने बोला stay safe नेहा. Thank you so much. रोहू तो बोला ही नहीं.
Singer Neha Kakkar has shed light on her love story with her husband Rohanpreet Singh. Singer Neha Kakkar and her husband Rohanpreet are in Dubai and enjoying their honeymoon.
What a view!
चलो, let's order something.
In a recent interview, both of them shared their love story, नजर मिलने, दिल देने और शादी के बंधन में बंधने तक. Rohanpreet said it was love at first sight for him after he met Neha to shoot for their first music video, Nehu Da Vyah. रोहनप्रीत ने कहा कि उनको अंदाजा नहीं था कि ये गाना सच हो जाएगा और नेहा से उनका ब्याह हो जाएगा. Newlywed lovebirds singer Neha Kakkar and Rohanpreet Singh gifted their fans with their wedding just days after making their relationship official on social media. Now the couple has shed some light on how it all started, how these two hearts got together and decided to spend the rest of their lives as husband and wife. Both of these two artists met on their first music video called Nehu Da Vyah, and since then there was no looking back. Check it out. नेहा ने भी खुशी-खुशी बताया कि she fell in love with Rohanpreet's good, charming, cute looks and polite behavior. The singer said Rohanpreet का पहला impression ही उनको इतना पसंद आया कि वो फिदा हो गई. He was so good and nice to everyone on the set. Neha also mentioned that he was the most cute boy that she has ever come across. The attraction was very strong and she instantly realized that there was a very strong connection between them. और तब ही नेहा को रियलाइज हो गया था कि रोहनप्रीत ही उनकी जिंदगी के हमसफर बनेंगे. रोहन also said कि नेहा जमीन से जुड़ी हुई लड़की है. इस बात को जानने के बाद ही उन्होंने नेहा को प्रपोज करने का फैसला किया और जब उन्होंने हिम्मत जुटाकर नेहा को प्रपोज किया तो रब का शुक्र है कि नेहा said yes. Currently, Neha and Rohanpreet are staying at the Palazzo Versace Hotel in Dubai for their honeymoon.
Aww. Thank you. Baby, उन्होंने बोला stay safe नेहा. Thank you so much. रोहू तो बोला ही नहीं. So sweet, thank you.
The two lovebirds are sharing their cute, lovely pictures on social media and fans are going gaga over them. Well, Zoom wishes both Neha and Rohanpreet a very, very happy married life. चलिए दोस्तों, अब वक्त हो गया एक छोटा सा ब्रेक लेने का, but don't go anywhere, we're coming right back.
कुछ और लेकर आओ ना, कुछ और खेलते हैं फिर.
बाहर उधर उसके बाहर.
ये मेरा घर भी मैट्रिमोनियल हाउस है.
और जब मैट्रिमोनियल आएगा आप तब मेरे घर के अंदर
लिए.
जब आएगा तब जाओ ना.
धक्का नहीं,
इधर मेरे
धक्का मत मारो, धक्का मत मारो.
अंदर.
Actress Shweta Tiwari's estranged husband Abhinav Kohli has shared several videos from an attempted visit to her house to meet their son. Abhinav Kohli shares videos of her blocking him from entering the house and says, "I want to see your limit."
आप एक आदमी को इतना तंग कर दो, इतना थका दो कि वो बेचारा हेल्पलेस होके कोई गलत काम कर बैठे, अभी मिलाया अब फिर से नहीं खुल रही है।
These days, popular TV actress Shweta Tiwari अपनी निजी जिंदगी की वजह से सुर्खियों में है। Actress Shweta Tiwari's estranged husband Abhinav Kohli has shared videos on social media which shows her refusing Abhinav's entry into a house. In his post, he wrote that she isn't permitting him to meet his son. Itna hi nahi, Abhinav has also gone on to social media to reveal many things about Shweta Tiwari. Check out our latest report. TV actress Shweta Tiwari is a very popular name on TV and she has millions of fans. But nowadays her personal life is very disturbed. Because Abhinav Kohli ने Shweta Tiwari पर इल्जाम लगाया है कि वो अपने बेटे से मिलने के लिए काफी तड़प रहे हैं, पर श्वेता उनको अपने बेटे से मिलने नहीं दे रही है।
बच्चे के साथ क्या हो रहा होगा? Imagine what is happening with the child. आज मैं बच्चे को मिला भी हूँ, इतना सहमा हुआ, इतना डरा हुआ, क्यों? क्या कर रहे हैं हम उसकी साइकी के साथ? क्यों नहीं समझ आ रहा है श्वेता को? पता नहीं what is she up to, क्या what is she trying to achieve, क्या मिल जाएगा उसको?
अभिनव कोहली चाहते हुए भी अपने बेटे से मिल नहीं पा रहे हैं। Abhinav has shared videos on social media which shows Shweta refusing his entry into a house. In his post, he wrote that she isn't permitting him to meet their son. Sharing the video, Abhinav Kohli wrote in his caption, "My goodness was misused. First kept me away from my child from May to September, then gave him when he had, and when he did not want to come, I asked you to come and convince him, and what did you do with me? You ran away with him yesterday. I found you after so much difficulty and you did not let me see him even for a second. How much will you do wrong to me? I also want to see your limit." इस वीडियो में शायद अभिनव श्वेता के घर में घुसना चाह रहे हैं और श्वेता कह रही है, मेरे घर में मत आओ, बाहर रहो. He can be heard saying that it is his matrimonial house and telling her to not push him.
मेरा घर भी मैट्रिमोनियल हाउस है।
जब मैट्रिमोनियल आएगा आप सब मेरे घर के अंदर जब आएगा तब जाओ ना।
धक्का मत मारो।
इससे पहले एक वीडियो में अभिनव himself is standing outside Shweta's house waiting to be let in. This is the reality. This is what is the truth, he said in the video.
अभी मिला के देखिए, अब फिर से आया हूँ तो फिर गायब, खोल ही नहीं रहे। बच्चा अंदर होगा बेचारा, अगर श्वेता कहीं बाहर गई हुई है तो बच्चे को उन्होंने अंदर बंद किया होगा इस कमरे में, को आने नहीं दे रहे होंगे। दिस इज द रियलिटी, दिस इज व्हाट इज द ट्रुथ, दिस इज व्हाट आई हैव बीन ट्राइंग टू से। यही है मैं जो बताना चाह रहा हूँ हमेशा।
अभिनव कोहली ने बताया कि श्वेता ने उनके बेटे को रीजेंसी में छुपाया हुआ है। जब वो वहां गए तो किसी ने उनकी मदद नहीं की क्योंकि श्वेता ने नाम बदलकर कमरा लिया हुआ है। जब होटल वाले भी अभिनव की हेल्प नहीं कर पाए, he called up the police to help him. He said earlier police was not able to help him, but later when he continuously requested the police, he finally talked to his son. पर उनके बेटे ने उनसे मिलने से मना कर दिया। On Shweta's side, after separating from Abhinav, Shweta called her marriage with him a poisonous infection. There was an infection which was hurting me badly. I got it removed. People thought it was my hand, part of my body, but they need to understand it was poisonous and I had to take it out. And now I am healthy again. Don't think I'm trying to portray myself happy. I am actually happy, Shweta said in an interview with a leading daily. Let's just pray all's well in this story.
मेरा घर भी मैट्रिमोनियल हाउस है।
जब मैट्रिमोनियल आएगा आप सब मेरे घर के अंदर जब आएगा तब जाओ ना।
धक्का मत मारो।
Well guys, with that we come to the end of another episode of Planet Bollywood. We will be back again tomorrow, same time, same place, with all the latest from the world of Bollywood and social media. Until then, stay home, stay safe, check out our Zoom Facebook page for all the updates about your favorite celebrities, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Until then, ciao.